Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gann grids. These powerful technical analysis tools are essentially a network of intersecting lines, often at 45-degree angles, overlaid onto a price chart. They are designed to help traders identify market trends and pinpoint potential price reversal points. The core idea behind a Gann grid is to visualize the balanced relationship between price movement and the passage of time, offering insights into market dynamics. To construct a Gann grid, first identify a significant price extremum on your chart, which could be a prominent high or a low point. If the market is in an uptrend, start from a minimum. For a downtrend, begin at a maximum. Next, drag the grid tool from this initial point to an opposite extremum. The distance between these 2 points will define the size of your grid cells. You can also adjust the pips per bar parameter to fine-tune the slope of the grid lines. Interpreting a Gann grid involves understanding what each line signifies. The horizontal cell borders function as dynamic support and resistance levels, with stronger levels indicated by more frequent price interactions. The diagonal lines, particularly the 45-degree line, are crucial for identifying the market's trend direction. When price moves above an ascending line, it suggests an uptrend, while below a descending line indicates a downtrend. Intersections of these grid lines often signal potential shifts in the prevailing trend. Applying Gann grids to your trading strategy can enhance decision-making. You can use the grid lines to identify optimal entry and exit points for trades. For instance, consider placing stop-loss orders just below a support level or above a resistance level indicated by the grid. When price breaks a level, target the next grid line as a potential take-profit point. By observing price behavior within the grid cells, you can assess market conditions and refine your trading approach for better outcomes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.